In this lecture, we will learn about the basic syntax of the Python programming language. One of the most important Python syntax rules is that code is grouped through indentation and not curly braces. For example, in Python, an if statement would look like this. In C# or Java, the if statement would look like this. When a line of code is indented under another in Python, it belongs to the code block for that if statement, loop, etc. When we type something in like an if statement in PyCharm and then hit enter, the program will auto-indent our cursor under that line, which is helpful so that you don't have to manually indent your code. Also, comments in Python start out with a pound symbol. We use comments to make notes to ourselves and other developers when coding. Comments are not executed when the code is run. If you are familiar with other programming languages, you are probably used to ending lines of code with semicolons. In Python, the end of a line terminates a statement. You never need to end a line with a semicolon. However, it is technically valid to end lines of Python code with semicolons. It's something that you can do, but nobody does it since you don't have to. However, it is useful if you want to include two statements of Python code on the same line. Another important element of Python syntax is that while indentation is important, and an element of the syntax to group code, white space within lines does not matter. Therefore, the line a equals 1 with a space on either side of the equals is the same as a equals 1 with no space on either side of the equals. In the next lecture, we will learn about the modulus operator.